Okay, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon. It's been a while, okay? It's been a while I actually create any content for you guys, and I'm sorry because I just want to do something that will benefit you and I. I know a lot of skin has been ongoing, and I've not actually reviewed any of them. Like this very one, Prime Shell. Bombshell have been going all around. People have been making videos all about it. But I see that scheme skeptical, okay? I see Prime Share skeptical. But I want to introduce you to a very interesting platform which I feel is going to last longer. Okay. The name of this platform is called Taskrabbit VIP. Okay. Taskrabbit VIP. And when I was going through the platform, I see that it's actually is a very interesting platform that is going to make money for you and I. And based on the features they have on this platform, you are to carry different tasks. Okay, you are to carry tasks and you earn by those tasks that you do. Okay, on the platform also you have recharge card, you can buy airtime, you can do data subscription, you can do cable subscription, electricity bill, and all of that. Okay, so I've gone through the website and I see that this thing is very legit. So I'm just going to I'll buy an account. So I'm going to create an account, and our plans are still very interesting. So if you scroll down, they have a 3,000 naira plan, they have 10,000. On the 10,000 you're going to be getting 500 naira daily. Okay, so they have 30,000, they have 50, 100, up to 500. Okay, so I'm just going to create an account. I'm going to get started. You see me everything is, and I'm going to fund my account and start earning. Okay, this platform is, I think, is just the best. So I just get started right now. So I'll fill my name. Okay, so guys, I just created an account. So I'm going to go to my email right now to verify my link. Okay, so guys, this is the mail that was sent to me. So I'm just going to verify that email address so I can log into my account. Okay, yes, right now. Wow. So let me just go through. There's even a welcome bonus. This is interesting. There's a welcome bonus for every member for 300 naira. But I think once this welcome bonus, you cannot use it until you buy a plan. Okay, until you buy a plan, you cannot use. And I can see something interesting here. You can actually DM the admin. I'll join chat admin on WhatsApp or join. Okay, let's go through. Let's see what is happening here. So let me go through. Let me go through the task. I've not bought a plan, so there's no task for me. I can't do any task, nothing. So okay, let me fund my account. Let me go to the payment section. Okay, this is the wallet. So I'm going to buy a package. I'm going to buy a package. Let me see the packages. Okay, click to buy a package. Let me see the package I can buy to for the purpose of this video. Guys, this thing is legit. You just got join. I won't promote something that is not original. You know me for that. Okay, so if I'm telling you it's a go, know that it's a go. So I'm going to buy the 30k package at the end of the for 35 days. It's going to run for 35 days. Every day I'll be making 1.5, and that will be for the next 35 days. I'm going to make 52. I think that is very good. So I'm going to buy this package. Okay, so I'll buy the 30,000 naira package. So let me just do the transfer. Let me collect the bank details, payments. So let me log in back again. So let's go to payment. So this is the address. So I'm just going to copy this very one by long pressing your phone. I'll copy this CUDA. So let me go to my bank to do that transfer. I'll be right back. So guys, I've made a payment of 30,000 naira. So I'm just going to go to my phone and upload the screenshot. Okay, so let me pause this video. So I will make payments. You have to submit that you have made payment. Okay, so I'm just going to click submit. Then I'll wait for the admin to verify your deposit has been initiated. So I'm just going to wait for a while. Then I'll come back Once let me come to home page. Uh once I'm being funded, then I'll continue with this video. Okay, so let's just wait for a few minutes. So guys, let me refresh if I've been created. Wow, this is fast. So I think that if you delay, if there's a delay in your payment, you can always chat this number. I think that's the reason why it's there. You can always chat this number, the admin on WhatsApp. Okay, so what I'll need to do now is to come here, come to package and purchase my preferred package. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Click on this section here to buy a package. So I'll buy a package right now. What I paid for was 30,000. So I'm going to buy a 30,000 naira package. Buy. Okay. Let me click on that again. Oh, it has already worked. So 30,000 naira package has been credited to me. So if I go to the tax section right now, so that is to say I can see the number of tax they have. Okay, wow, this is lovely. This is lovely. This is lovely, guys. So let me go to YouTube ad. So I need to accept. I need to accept first. So I'm going to just pause this video, and for the sake, I don't want it to be too long, but I've shown you how to open an account and how to open account. So next subsequent video, I will show you how to do your task. Okay. Take care and please subscribe. To join the link, please join my referral link. I will appreciate it if you come in through my referral link. So I'm going to be dropping it at the end of this video, my referral link. And thank you and subscribe, guys.